Commitment. Kasi ay, nagkatawa mo.
I build and do my business every day, and every day my business gets better. When I build my business, I build my future. When I do my business, I create my success. I take my first Vita Plus business seriously, very seriously. This is my career. This is my life. I take full responsibility for building my first Vita Plus business. I self-motivate to work on the plan and make it work. I am responsible for my own success. I believe in this business. I know it's right and I know it works. And I know the rest is up to me. I prospect, I invite, I invest time, effort, and even money. I show the plan, I listen, and learn from my uplines to build intelligent and responsible downlines to succeed. I don't see building my business as if it's taking my time. I see doing my business as doing the most important things I've ever done. My job is to make my business work. And for me to become a better person, I build my business every day. And in doing this, I make the dreams come true. This is for my family. This is for my financial freedom. This is for my future. And this is for my dreams. I am a leader. I am an achiever. I am moving forward. I have made a commitment to succeed. And I'm making my business work seriously. My first Vita Plus business gives me the opportunity to succeed in every important area of my life. The business made me enjoy the process, for it builds my faith, my family, my relationship, my freedom, and my future. My first Vita Plus business is awesome, amazing, fantastic, incredible, unbelievable, and unstoppable. And not only that, it is real. I am a non-stop do it now. Make it happen. Get it done. Go for it. Go for it, networker. Nobody can stop me for I'm going all the way. I'm moving, I'm listening, I'm learning, I'm motivated, I'm fired up, I'm making it happen because I am the best. I choose to succeed in life. I choose to work for myself. I choose to become financially independent. I choose to have freedom for the rest of my life. That's why I choose First Vita Plus.